From here, inhale, just slowly to right leg, bring your right leg in between your palm. From here, raise your both hands up, as 5. Drop your knees, hold the breath, Chaturanga. Center, exhale, change your side. Namaste, namaste, namaste. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you guys are very well and practice yoga every day. So today is a day 10. So we are going to practice basic hatha yoga, hatha vinyasa flowers, kinds of like flow yoga. तो हमने 9 दिन तक हमने कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस किया, बहुत सारा एक्सरसाइज किया, किसी दिन थाई किया, किसी दिन हिप, किसी दिन आर्म्स, सो सब मिक्स करके किया. तो हम आज थोड़ा सा योगा अभ्यास करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो आज हमारा 10 डेज वेट लॉस चैलेंज ख़त्म होगा. तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना अगर किसी का वेट लॉस हुआ है, 1 किलो 2 किलो जो भी है, अगर आप फॉलो कर किया है मेरा योगा क्लास, अगर आपको कुछ बेनिफिट मिला है तो ज़रूर आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन करना, ठीक है. तो चलिए आज का सेशन शुरू करते हैं. पहले हम ऐसे सुखासन या पद्मासन किसी भी आसन में हम बैठेंगे. तो नेक्स्ट लेट्स गो टुगेदर टुडे सेशंस. जस्ट क्लोज योर आइज. Take a deep breath, inhale and completely exhale. So first we are going to neck rotation, clockwise and anti-clock. Just normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, change your side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Hand side of the body. Try to follow me. Inhale, center, exhale. Turn your body to the left side. Now right hand over your left knees and slowly twist your spine to the as much as possible. Look back. Again, inhale up. Raise both hands up and slowly change your side to the right. Continue. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. And stay here. Another 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Same way. Inhale and exhale to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, slowly raise your right hand up and as much as possible bend your body to the left side down. Inhale, center. Exhale, change your side as much as possible. You have to bend. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side down. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right side down. And the last one. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side down. And you have to stay here under 5 breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently. Again, change your side same way. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now we are going to upper body a little bit warm up like this. Both palms in front of your chest. Just open your chest like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Same way, sidewise, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now both palms in front of your chest. You can do this like this, slowly up, down, to relax your upper body. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Both palms over your shoulder and slowly rotate your shoulder clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are going to reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Now follow me. Inhale, center. Exhale. First drop your left elbow down and right hand over your head. Try to feel that stretching. Inhale, center. Exhale, change your side. Inhale, center. Exhale, change your side. Inhale, exhale to the right side down. And the last one, inhale, center. Now slowly spread your left hand as much as possible. You can go down. And slowly right hand over your head. Try to feel the stretching. And hold here a couple of breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Inhale, center, exhale, change your side. And stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now we are going to come to first cat pose. Sit on a Vajrasana. Okay. Both palms in front of your chest like this. Now take the measurement like one elbow from here. Just one palm in front of your body. Now your palm, your knee and your feet should be straight one line. We are going to cat to cow breathing. Inhale, slowly arch back. Look up, chin up. Exhale, suck your stomach in and try to look your navel. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, slowly. Exhale down. And the last one, you have to hold here. Inhale, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Again, suck your stomach in and try to look your navel. Now from here, inhale, just slowly raise your right leg up, fold your knees and try to grab your ankle by left hand and lift up raise your leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, change your side. Inhale, first left leg up, fold your knees, grab your ankle and as much as possible you can up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now from here, just drop your chest and chin down. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Cobra, Bhujangasana. Again, come to exhale. Come to child pose. Inhale, go forward. Drop your chest and chin. Cobra. Exhale. Come to child pose. And the last one, inhale, hold the breath, inhale up, exhale, come to downward facing dog. And just slowly, one by one, heel up, down. To relax your calf muscle, relax your ankle. From here, inhale, just slowly to right leg, bring your right leg in between your palm. From here, raise your both hands up. As much as possible, you can look up, chin up. Try to relax your spine. Relax your thighs. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your both palm down to right leg back. Plank pose. Drop your knees. Chest and chin come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, again turn to downward facing dog. Slowly, one by one, again heel up, down. Same way, bring your left leg in front of your body. Both palms, raise your both palms up, inhale up. Try to feel the stretching. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your both palm down. Left leg back to plank pose. 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knees. Hold the breath. Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, come to again downward facing dog. Now this time, inhale, right leg up, right leg front in between your palm. Come to great warrior posture. Just try to follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, drop your both palm down to right leg back. Plank pose. Hold the breath. Come to Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, come to downward facing dog. From here again, inhale, raise your left leg up. Left leg front in between your palm. Come to great warrior posture. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Drop your both palm down. Left leg back to side plank. Turn your right side plank. Maintain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Change your side. Turn your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, come center. Drop your knees. Chest and chin. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale. Come to Cobra. Exhale. Come to downward facing dog. Again, slowly, one by one. Next, again, right leg up and right leg front. Come to side warrior posture. Body should be straight, one line. Hands should be straight. Try to look front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make sure your knee should be straight and your left leg should be a little bit 45 degree. Come to triangle posture. You can drop your palm inside, outside, or if you cannot, then grab your ankle. Okay, it's up to you. Or you can use the block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, change your side, right leg back to downward facing dog. 1. Hold here, couple of breath. Try to enjoy the posture. 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, inhale, left leg up and bring your left leg in between your palm. Come to side warrior posture. Beautiful. Every posture you should enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, from here, drop your left palm outside of the mat. If you cannot, you can grab your ankle. Or you can use the block. Inhale, raise your hands up, right hand up. Try to look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palm down. Left leg back. Plank pose. Come to plank pose. And from here, drop your knees and come to child pose. Try to relax. So this is the very short yoga flow. You can practice in home for increase your flexibility, for reduce your fat, for reduce your weight loss. So please do mention your comment and comment section. How you feeling today's session? कैसे लगा आपको ये सेशन? प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन करना और ये वीडियो देखते ही प्रैक्टिस कर लेना एक बार. ठीक है, मिलते हैं नया कोई टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. खुश रहिए और योगा बस हर रोज कीजिए. नमस्ते.